It's a baking day in the studio today, and I started the day with load shedding, so no coffee, no lights. Had a look at the kitchen and decided it was too much of a mess, so I decided to go for a walk. You can see how beautiful the day was, the mountain, the autumn leaves. I know I'm going to get side-eye from my Pilates teacher because I bunked my Pilates class, but hey, it was a beautiful walk. When I got home, the power still wasn't on. So after battling with the gate a bit, I finally went to my desk, did some paperwork in the dark. It was unproductive. Had another look at my dirty kitchen and magically transformed it into a clean kitchen. Started to bake. We have a class tomorrow, so I'm baking all the cakes for that class. You can see me doing that there. There are lots of people coming, so I needed 7 cakes. And I also baked some biscuits for my class on Saturday. I wanted to get it all done before the power went off again. So you can see I'm going high speed. Let me know if you are interested in seeing a class day at the studio, and I will make a video like that. I had roast vegetables for lunch, and because there was nothing left over from supper last night, I love that air fryer. My favorite. I was sat down to eat my lunch and was very chuffed to see we got top 3 on the daily top 3 of Cakes Decor. There's all the cookies. I was just waiting for them to finish. Went for a quick trip to the baking shop because I needed some things for the class tomorrow. Came home, made roast chicken for my children, and called it a day.